Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Ariba.
Where are you from?
I'm from Villavala.
Okay, what do you do in your summer vacations or what are your activities in your summer vacations?
So my activities are learning new skills like digital marketing, fashion designing, AI automation.
Do you visit somewhere in your summer vacations?
Yeah, I'm going to visit my grandparents' house.
That's great. Nice to meet you, Riva.
Thanks.
Good morning, how are you guys? Guys, I am in the biggest popular city zoo and I am telling about, I report about this zoo. So first of all, we ask some questions with the one specific person, so let's go. Hey you, Assalam alaikum, good morning, how are you? I'm also great, and what's your name? So Nimra, her name is Nimra Zainab. So Nimra Zainab, please tell me about what do you do here in this zoo? Okay, I am taking a picture.
Good morning, I am Filosha from Country at Al-Sabaq Al-Most district, Miyawali. It was the third of our English speaking program and today I learned about asking for and providing information. And now I am able to share my personal information with other in English. Thank you so much to our trainer, PEP, BNU and PDLC giving me this golden opportunity to learn functional English. Jazakallahu khair.
I am Sara. I am from grade 10. She is my class fellow. Her name is Fatma Afzal. Today we are representing a little conversation between a die-hard fan and a personality. Oh my god! You are a famous authoress, Fatma?
Yes, I am.
I can't believe that you are in front of me. I am your die-hard fan.
Okay, I see.
I read a lot of your books. Your books are very informative and incredible.
My player, I would like it if someone recognized me because of my work and appreciate it.
Nowadays, I am reading your book, Zare Haya. It is very informative book. How do you write such good books?
What a choice. Actually, this book is very close to my heart. I think it is gift for me from Allah.
Oh, you are very blessed, mashallah. When did you start writing such books?
When I was in school, I was fond of reading. In later time, I want to read books so that my reading skill enhance and I write a lot.
Can I take a selfie with you?
I always ready for selfie.
Oh, thank you so much. You are very down to earth person.
My player.